Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get cannons for your boat in Windrose. So first of all, make sure you got some copper ingots in your inventory, and in the workbench you want to craft at least 10 of coarse fabrics. Once you've done that, you can go ahead to the building panel using the B button and right click. And in the crafting and utilities you want to go personal weapons and ship fittings and select the shipwright's workshop. You'll need 5 copper ingots, 10 coarse fabric and 15 wood. Also, it needs to be placed under a roof in a shelter. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click E to use it. And here you'll see the 12 pounders, on which you'll need 10 copper ingots and 10 wood. And once you craft it, you can go to your boat, click Q for the ship management, and then just from your backpack move it into the ship gear. And as you can see, you're gonna have these cannons, which you can control by going to them and pressing E to control them, or from your ship when you choose the option 1 and then right click, you can aim on one side and the other, and if you click the second option you can aim at the front, and to shoot just left click. So this is gonna be all. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and see you next time.